What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Hanging with the Osos. So I just got a really exciting package in, and as you can see from the title of the video, it is the iPhone XS Max. So today is the 21st. They just came out today, and we did pre-order these last Friday, and it was literally the longest week of my life waiting for this new phone to come out. So I have been due for an upgrade for 5 months. And if you guys have been following us and you remember that I got my iPhone 7 Plus back in 2016, and it was an 18-month lease. I was already on the late train for the iPhone X, and so I was like, I'm just gonna wait a couple months for the new one. So I waited 5 months and I finally got one, and then Cesar was due for an upgrade too, so we just went ahead and got them. And also my phone carrier, even though my lease was over, they were still charging me that amount until I upgraded. So it was actually cheaper for me to just upgrade to a brand new phone than to keep paying for this one. My 7 Plus that I have right now, it is a 256 gigabytes, and I was gonna get the 256 gigs of these, but Cesar was like, why don't you check your memory and see how much you've used in the past 2 years. So I checked. I have tons of photos and videos in my phone. I don't really have music. Out of the 2 years, 256 gigs, I was only using 84 gigs. So it was kind of a waste to just pay that much more for the 256. So we did get the 64 gigs of both of these. I got the gold one, and then Cesar got the space gray. Okay.
I'm just vlogging.
Okay, sounds good. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that one to Cesar to open when he gets home, but this one is mine. This is what the box looks like. I'm so excited. It literally just came. This is what it looks like. And it's like, you know, typical iPhone Apple packaging where everything looks pretty. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you guys first so you can see before I do. Ooh, wow. See the comparison. Oh wow, this is way bigger than the 7 Plus. All right, let's go ahead and take it out. Wow. So this is what the front of it looks like. And oh, this is so different. I mean, it's like similar but different. Wow, looks really sleek. And this is what the back looks like. I don't know if my camera is gonna capture the true color, but it's gold, but it kind of looks like brown almost. Wow, this is really pretty. All right, so here it is for you guys, your typical peel porn. I don't want to take the front piece of it off. I wonder if I can cut it. All right, got it. So here is the size difference between these, and then the difference on the back. Now obviously I'm not a tech channel, but let's go ahead and turn it on. But in the meantime, I'll show you the box. So the box comes with the charger, and then it also comes with the headphones. And these are not the AirPods or whatever, they're regular headphones. That's how they get you. They package them like they're AirPods, but they're not.
I want to get that.
And then it also comes with the charging cable.
I have a regular phone.
Alright, so let's get started. It says swipe up to open. Quick start. If you have iPhone or iPad iOS running on 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. Alright. Oh, okay. So as soon as I pull it up, it pulls up on my phone here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. So it says here, wait for your other phone. So it says hold the new phone up to the new one. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. And now it's syncing on this one. And then it says setting up your iPhone. Keep this phone near your new iPhone while your information is being transferred. It may take a few minutes to activate. Oh, so it's like automatically syncing one to the other. Cool. Position your face in the camera frame and then move your head around in a circle to show it all the angles of your face. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with doing the Face ID.
Oh, hi, Mommy. I'm vlogging.
So there's this thing called Screen Time on it, and you get weekly reports with insights about your screen time, and you can set the limits for your apps you want to manage. You can also use screen time on children's devices to set up parental controls. Cool, but I never give her my phone. She has a tablet that I had a long time ago. So here it is, iPhone XS Max. It's right after I ordered the phone. I ordered a case, but I really like getting the silicone cases. So I just got a clear one so that the color of the phone shows through. So this is what it looks like with the clear case on it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of the iPhone XS Max. I'm not going to get into the details or like the specifics of how it works because I need to explore it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging with us today, and we'll see you in the next video.